Let's learn! Letter S with long vowel sounds.
Hello, hello, come sing with me. Faith Capers here with the letter S, you see. When vowels are long, they say their name. A, E, I, O, U, all the same. And every chorus stays the same, so sing along, join the game. Faith Capers, smile, stretch with me. Long vowel sounds are fun to see. S, S, slide it long. Sing the song. Long vowel sounds, stretch and play. S words glide in a smooth, long way. I see a star so far away, twinkling softly, hip hooray! A tiny seed goes in the ground, soon a sprout pops up around. We can seek and we can be seen. Faith Capers clefs, yes indeed. Long vowel sounds lead the way. S says, slide it long. Sing the song. Long vowel sounds, stretch and play. S words glide in a smooth, long way. We can say hello today, wave your hands and shout, hooray! A boat will sail across the blue, gliding softly just for you. Stay safe as we laugh and play, saving smiles along the way. Faith Capers cheers, hear them say, long vowel A sounds lead the way. S says, slide it long. Sing the song. Long vowel sounds, stretch and play. S words glide in a smooth, long way. Stand side by side with me, friends together. 1, 2, 3. Big or small, what's your size? Faith laughs with happy eyes. Stretch the words so nice and slow, feel it gently start to flow. Say hello to Sue today, smiling in a friendly way. Faith Capers smiles, now you know. Long vowel sounds help learning grow. S says, slide it long.